संगीत प्रेमी साथीहरु नमस्कार. म राजवंशी किशोर कुमार Mandal. Few days before, you might have heard or listened the typical Rajvanshi song. Of that same typical Rajvanshi song, today I am going to sing the last part. This song is a little bit longer, but for you all, I am singing the last part today. After listening, please do like, comment and share. Thank you. Here we go.
Aquí